Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the business model canvas of Olympian Motors. Okay, so before going to this BMC, let us see something about that Olympian Motors company. So it is founded in USA in 2021. So this is a type of company where it deals with the implementation of AI in the existing EVs. Okay, so they are manufacturing the cars which has an AI assisted electrical vehicle which makes the automobile more smarter. So now let us see the business model canvas of this Olympian Motors. So the first is the customer segment. So the customer segment of this company, it includes the premium EV buyers since in the integration of AI, which certainly increases the cost of the vehicle. So the premium EV buyers, uh, customer, they will be the main customers, and tech enthusiastic peoples, fleet operators, and developers and partners. So these are some things comes under the customer segment. And next is the value proportion. So the value proportion is the experience first EVs, and timeless and art deco design, a modular EV platform, an AI driven Olympus OS. So it is their product, the OS, and so these are the things. It just increase the value of this particular product. And next is the channel through which they showcase or advertise their products. So the first is the online sales. They have an online platform for selling their product. And next is the test drive events. So they used to conduct the events just like many service center will do in India. So the same likewise they conduct the test drive events. So with that, many people will drive that vehicle and they have good experience and good feedback on that vehicle. So with that, they might buy the vehicle. And the strategic partnerships with the other firms and investor platform. So these are some key channels that has been used by this company for showcasing their product. And then the customer relationship. So in customer relationship, the community engagement. So engaging with the community and just sorting out the issues of the customer. So that's the main motive of this particular company. And pre-order reservations. So reservation also undertaken for this for these cars. And premium experience has been given to the customers and continuous software updates. So as I said earlier, the AI has been implemented to it. So it requires a continuous software update in order to meet the real-time problems and real-time requirements. And the revenue stream of this particular Olympian models includes the EV sales model 184 and 42, modular EV kits, software licensing, partnership and licensing. So these are some revenue streams where this company earning the money. So in that the EV sales contributes a lot, and also the kits which has been given to this vehicle and other than the spares, extra spares. So this all creates revenue for this particular company. And the key resources is the modular EV platform, the Olympus software OS, design and engineering team, and the strategic partner. So these are the key resources of this particular company. And the key activities that they do is the first is EV development. So they keep on developing the EV either in the area of software or in the area of that particular each and every component of the vehicle. So they keep on developing the performance of the vehicle and the overall aesthetics and overall ergonomics of the vehicle. And software and AI development. So they keep on updating the software according to the real world requirement and also for the sophistication of the driver. And modular manufacturing and marketing and franchising. So these are the key activities that have performed in this particular company. And the revenue stream, as we said earlier, the EV sales, modular kits, and software licensing and partnership. And then the cost structure. Yes, the cost structure here it includes the R&D, manufacturing, marketing and branding, partner integration, and production infrastructure. So these are the areas where the amount has been spent by this company in order to develop the car. So main R&D and manufacturing. Where the cost will be high in compared to the other three parameters. And since it is a rising brand, so rising company, so we need branding and marketing in an effective way to reach the people. And the key partners of this company include Foxconn Nvidia, Tier 1 suppliers, cloud and AI partners, reduce cost, the Tier 1 suppliers and Y Combinator. So these are some key partners of this particular company. So that's all about the overall BMC of this Olympian motor. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.